In this video, I'll show you how people in Japan spend the last day of the year and welcome the new year. Two foods are especially connected to this season: Toshikoshi Soba on New Year's Eve and Ozoni on New Year's Day. They're simple dishes, but they carry a quiet sense of tradition that many families share. I hope you enjoy this small look at something that may feel a little different from the way your country celebrates. Before we talk about Toshikoshi Soba, let me quickly explain what soba is. Soba are noodles made from buckwheat flour, sometimes mixed with wheat flour. They have a light, nutty flavor and a clean, simple taste. In Japan, people eat soba all year round, served hot in a bowl of broth or cold with a dipping sauce. It's everyday food, but it also has a long history and a special place in Japanese culture. So what is Toshikoshi Soba? On the night of December 31st, many people in Japan eat soba sometime in the evening or late at night. The name literally means soba for crossing into the new year. There are several popular explanations for this custom. One idea is that the long, thin noodles represent a wish for a long and healthy life. Another idea is that soba noodles are easy to bite and cut, so by eating them, we symbolically cut off the bad luck and hardships of the past year. Whether people believe these meanings or not, most Japanese will immediately think of soba when they hear New Year's Eve. Now let's head out. This is JR Kanda Station. Today I'm going to pick up my Toshikoshi Soba from one of the well-known soba shops in this area, Kanda Yabu Soba. As I walk, I pass streets lined with long-established shops. Kanda still feels like an old Tokyo neighborhood. And on December 31st, the neighborhood is already busy with people preparing for the evening. On New Year's Eve, many soba restaurants in Japan offer special takeout soba sets just for this day. People come to the shop, pick up their noodles and soup, and then cook or warm them at home with their families. I couldn't film the exact moment of receiving the soba, but this is the pickup line. Everyone waiting for their number to be called. Even just standing here, you can feel that New Year's is close. Around Kanda Yabu Soba, there are also several other soba restaurants. If you walk through the neighborhood, you can see many signs that say Toshikoshi Soba and people lining up to buy noodles for the evening. Not every family in Japan eats soba, and in some regions people prefer udon or other dishes, but the image of New Year's Eve yakisoba is still very strong here. Back at home, there are many ways to enjoy Toshikoshi Soba. Some people like it very simple, just noodles, broth, and chopped green onions. Others add tempura, kamaboko fish cake, or vegetables. There is no single correct style. Each family has its own favorite toppings and its own memories attached to this bowl of noodles. For me, Toshikoshi Soba is a moment to pause and look back on the past year, while quietly getting ready to welcome the new one. It's a very simple dish, just noodles and broth, but maybe that is why it feels gentle and comforting. If you ever come to Japan around New Year's, I hope you'll try a bowl of soba on December 31st and feel this small but meaningful tradition for yourself. And once the new year begins, there are other traditions too. One is ozoni, a warm soup with mochi, often eaten to welcome the new year and wish for good health. The flavor and toppings vary a lot by region and by family, so no two bowls are exactly the same. Another tradition is osechi, New Year foods served in special stacked boxes, prepared in advance and enjoyed over the first few days of January. Each dish is chosen for its meaning, often as a wish for health, good fortune, or prosperity. And there is Otoshidama, when adults give small New Year gift envelopes to children. It's a simple way to share good wishes for the year ahead. Thank you for watching. I hope 2026 will be a wonderful year for you.